Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to clear autofill in Google Chrome. So first let's bring up Google Chrome and press these three little dots in the top right hand corner and come all the way down to settings. Now within settings you'll see autofill and passwords. You want to go into that. Now you have three options: password manager, and you want to go into here and delete any passwords that you've saved. Then you have payment method, and you can see at the top here, save and fill payment methods. You can tab this off so it no longer autofills any payment methods. You can come back out and do the same for the address, save and fill addresses. You can tab that off. Now for ones what have already been auto-filled, you can come back and you can go into privacy and security. And then you want clear browser data. Now from here, you want to go in advanced. Basic doesn't have this option. So you want advanced, then you want a time frame where you want to delete it from. You want to come down and select autofill form data. You can unselect everything else if you wish, and then select clear data. This will clear all the autofill data. So that's how to clear autofill in Google Chrome. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.